guys, it is of course Andrew Luck again, and I'm bringing you another video on WordPress today. And today we are going to tackle permalinks, which is really straightforward. What is a permalink? Okay, a permalink is where you change the address in the address bar to something more meaningful, which is useful for your users to see. But also it's great for search engine optimization, because Google can then read proper addresses as opposed to sort of gobbledygook which the browser would or the server would normally generate. Now within WordPress, all you have to do, it's really simple, is go down to Settings and Permalinks. But firstly I'm going to show you what it looks like without any settings changed. So go to My CMS. Now this is just the basic template we've left installed, and I've created a couple of pages. So if we click on About Us, you'll see it comes up with this horrible address at the top, URL. And again, same for Contact Us, it's got its own one, which only WordPress really understands, and the browser. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to the dashboard, then we're going to go down to Settings, Permalinks. Now you've got lots of different options. You can have day and name, month and name, whichever you like. I normally go for post name. I find that's really quite effective, but it is different for each site, so it's entirely up to you how you want the URL to be displayed. When we do SEO for companies, things like that, we generally sort of set it just to post name. We make sure that the search terms are within the post name. Once you've selected the one you like, you click Save Changes, and then if we go back to view the site again, click About Us, it then changes it at the top. The site all still works absolutely perfectly as well. So there's nothing difficult to permalinks or changing the address. It's really straightforward. But if you've got any questions, please sort of obviously leave them below, and I'll come back to you as soon as I can. And don't forget, if you subscribe and click on the notification bell, you'll be kept up to date when we release any more videos. Okay then, have a great day. Take care. Bye.